When was the age when you stopped believing in magic? Well, me, I've never stopped believing, and that's why I'm here today with this Apple's Magic TrackPad. Is it really magic? Is it really enchanted? We shall find out today in another super cool unboxing. We are back here with the Magic TrackPad. Now, I know you saw my unboxing video last week for the K68. So what ended up happening was I ended up shifting my old keyboard over to Jeff, and his keyboard came to me, and I didn't have anything to do with it. And I hate the MacBook keyboard, so now I took over the keyboard. So I have a mechanical keyboard on my Mac, which was awesome. But that left me without a good mouse solution because it's kind of weird to have the trackpad up here and the computer down here, which is why I bought this. And that's me justifying my purchase. That's all the justification I need. This was $105 on Amazon. It's the sought after Space Gray. I really enjoy the trackpad on the MacBook. Let's go ahead and get this open, by the way. So I really enjoy the trackpad. Honestly, on a Mac, I prefer using the trackpad more than a mouse because they've done such a good job with the gestures and all that. And I had an iMac before, and I had the Magic Mouse, and I hated it so much. I actually considered buying one, but I hated it, and I was like, I can't do that again. And I love the trackpad on the MacBook. So having an external trackpad like right here makes sense to me. It makes sense to me. So let's go ahead and slide this out. Like all Apple packaging, it is gorgeous. So it's like a little pull tab. Oh, they give you a black lightning cable. That's pretty cool. I just completely forgot about this, and I'm so like enamored. And this is like official. Like, look at the contacts. The contacts are black. Like, to me, that's cool. I don't know. It does feel a bit thin. Maybe I don't know. It feels thinner than like a normal lightning cable from what I'm used to. But it's just a charger trackpad, so it's not that big of a deal. And then here's your documentation. So obviously not much to unbox. Let's go ahead and get the little shrink wrap off of here. Well, it's not really shrink wrap, but the farty diaper texture stuff they put around their devices. Alright, so this is cool. You got the Apple logo on the back and stealth. This is your lightning port to charge it. This is the on-off switch. And this is like, so this is like the MacBook touchpad where it's in a solid state and it uses haptics. Because if you press it while it's off, kind of like with the MacBook Pro, if my MacBook Pro was off right now and I pressed it, you wouldn't feel anything. This is a bit bigger than the MacBook Pro's touchpad, which I like because the more length, the more strength. Let's just pop this on real quick. Go to System Preferences, because I don't have a Bluetooth option up top. Forgot to add that back. Go Bluetooth. I'm going to turn this on, flip the little switch right here. Boom. You see the little green light. Bam. Magic TrackPad 2. Connect. And it's connected. And that's literally it. This feels good. So now that it's connected and on and everything, it's got a little clickiness. Battery is about 50% out of the box. I'm not going to charge it right now, but at least it came with a charging cable. I was surprised because it's Apple and you never really know, but I'm really digging this. Still got all the gestures. It's actually easier because now you don't have to worry about running into the keyboard. You can just, I mean, this might honestly be the same size. It probably is the same size. It just looked bigger because of the whole aspect of everything. If you get what I'm saying, the aspectiness of it. But yeah, it's real smooth and real comfortable. And now, like, I can sit in front of here, do my mouse and keyboard thing. And my MacBook is pretty much a desktop because I got all kinds of, I got an external monitor connected. I got a 3 terabyte external drive. I got USB hubs. This is pretty much a desktop anyway. So why not desktop it out and fully deck it out and just embrace the lifestyle? And if you embrace the lifestyle of watching my videos, I sincerely thank you. But remember, if you enjoyed it, to tell a friend, tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe, and always do at least 2 things at the same time. Peace.